everyone.
Nasi Lemak Royal. Here in Kedah, Nasi Lemak is given a royal treatment and a fun twist. Interestingly, Nasi Lemak Royal doesn't look like the typical standard Nasi Lemak. Served in Nasi Gandar style, this dish consists of yellow fried rice with the must-have kuah campur banjir, which is a mixed gravy of different shapes and curries. Kuih Teo. Fried kuih teo is a typical street food in Malaysia. This noodle dish consists of flat rice noodles along with other ingredients. Meanwhile, in Kedah, you can have a plate of kuih teo lord with cookless kuih teo kerang, or even better, top it off with sunny side up fried egg. Nasi ayam. Nasi ayam or chicken rice is a common Hainanese dish. Interestingly, you must try Malay style chicken rice right here in Kedah. Coined as the best nasi ayam in the city, it consists of buttery rice cooked with chicken broth and roast chicken. Of course, it comes with special chili sambal to give it a kick.
Zahir Mosque. The Zahir Mosque is a mosque in Alostar, Kota Star, Kedah, Malaysia, and the state mosque of State of Kedah. The Zahir Mosque is one of the grandest and oldest mosques in Malaysia, having been built in 1912. The Zahir Mosque has been voted as one of the top 10 most beautiful mosques in the world. Alostar. Alostar Tower, a 165.5 telecommunication tower in Alostar, Kedah, Malaysia. Apart from serving the role of a telecommunication tower, it also caters as a tourist destination for the town. The town also houses some restaurants and a souvenir shop. The observation deck is at a height of 88 meters or 289 feet from the base of the structure. Alai Nobat. This imposing 18-meter tall building sits patiently in Alostar. It houses the royal musical instrument set known as the Nobat, which is played by the royal orchestra during royal ceremonies, including inaugurations, royal births, weddings, and funerals. It is believed to have Hindu origins dating back centuries ago.
Muk Mulung. Muk Mulung is people dance drama that originated in Siam but was introduced to the community of Kampong Perik Kedah, Kuala Nerang, and finally to the village fun Tepus Citra. Performances will begin with Mulung Muk Bertabu, where musical instrument to be played simultaneously. The opening ceremony will be played by Bertabik song. Tarian Canggung. Awkward dance is very popular in the northern part of Peninsular Malaysia, such as Perlis and Kedah. In the Thai language, awkwardly means a dancing. Awkward dance usually dance in the season festivities as after harvest. Horse aims to entertain farmers. The dance is accompanied by an exchange of rhymes. Tarian Cinta Sayang. Dance of Love is a famous dance in the Kedah state. This dance is a dance to rejoice or excited occasions. Dancers dancing in pairs of men and women. Male dancers wore Malay complete with fez and cloth of gold. Female dancers wore baggy blouse and a long scarf attached at the shoulders.